During childhood, we used to share our tiffins. If we cannot have non-veg or any vegetarian option, then this is the simple recipe we can make. I used to prefer cooking in South Indian style. You will get to know when you see the recipe.
Guys, welcome back again. Me Prashika and you are watching Own Taste and Trace. So today I have come to my friend's house. She is the South Indian girl. We have taken pulihora recipe from her already, and today she is going to cook something that is in between of non-vegetarian and vegetarians. It means it is the love of vegetarians. She is going to make egg curry today. So I am very excited to get to know what is the recipe and how you can make it easily and quickly, because I am a vegetarian and I don't know anything about it. So I'm going to explore this easy recipe for you all. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too. So we have already taken one popular recipe from you, that is pulihora, and now we are going to cook something else for us. So I am very excited and I just wanted to know that you are making egg curry. So what is exactly the memory behind the recipe you are carrying?
Memory is like during childhood we used to share our tiffins in the school. So usually, because I born and brought up in Maharashtra only, I am South Indian, but my childhood all spent here. So when children come together, eat together, so that time we are eating everyone's tiffin and we used to ask for the recipe and get to know everything, and then I have added my South Indian touch on that and I have started cooking. So now I'm married and my children also love this recipe so much, and I am cooking it like since I have started cooking, I am cooking this recipe.
Okay, so do you use something special for this recipe? Because I have heard that so many types of recipes are available for the egg curry.
Yeah, truly there are many versions of egg curry, and everybody in south or north, everywhere people eat egg curry. So everybody knows that.
Can I expect something like Maharashtrian cuisine today from you?
Usually I used to cook in South Indian style only, and there is a South Indian touch in my every recipe. So maybe it could be South Indian, it could be Maharashtrian. Let's go and see the recipe and then you'll get to know.
So let's go inside your kitchen.
Yeah, sure.
So finally we are inside the kitchen and we can see our ingredients are already ready, and our cook is going to explain what are these things.
So this is 2 onions sliced, 3 green chili. I have taken 1 inch ginger and few garlic cloves, 2 tomato chopped, cashew and khada masala. These are eggs, of course. This is very important for the recipe because this is the main thing in the recipe. And this is the mixed masala I have made. I have added turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder and chili powder together. This is curry leaves, and these are coriander leaves, black pepper, and this is the main ingredient of our recipe, Ganesh mustard oil. I am going to cook with this oil. Actually in South India we use different oil, but since I am living in Mumbai, I am using this oil only. In our family also we are using this oil. So now we will make the mix for our puree that we are going to use for this curry. I have added 2 tablespoons of Ganesh mustard oil. And now I'll be adding this khada masala. There is 2 to 3 cardamom you can use, 1 cinnamon and 3 to 4 cloves. And now I have already added this onion. We need to fry this until it becomes transparent, and then we are going to add another things. It's time to add ginger garlic and our green chili. So we are cooking this until it becomes transparent. Now you can see the difference, and it's time to add our tomatoes. And we are going to cook this tomato until it becomes soft. Finally it became soft. Now I'll be adding our cashews and coriander leaves for the taste, and we'll mix it well. And now we'll switch off the gas and we have to wait for a few minutes so that it can become cool, and then we'll make puree out of it. So it is cool now and we are going to make the puree. My puree is ready, and now I am giving some small cuts in these eggs so that it can absorb all the flavors of masala. Again I am adding 2 tablespoons of Ganesh mustard oil. Now I am frying the eggs. I am adding a little bit of turmeric for the color. It's just optional. As you can see, it has become golden, so I am taking this out. And now it's time to add 1 tablespoon butter. I'm adding 5 to 6 black pepper in it, 2 to 3 bay leaves and curry leaves. We'll fry it for some time. Now I am adding the mixed masala I have made. I have added little bit of water into it. Frying this for 5 to 6 minutes. Our masala is fried now. Now I am adding the puree. I am adding a little bit of water into it so that it can cook well. Now we need to cover it, and we will cover and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. It's time to check our masala. As I can see, this is done now, and now we will be adding our fried eggs into it. Also, I have added these 2 sliced green chili for the flavor. Salt as per taste. One to 2 glass of water as per needed for the gravy. We will cover and cook it for the few minutes. Now the recipe is done. We'll be adding coriander leaves for the garnishing. For the flavor, I am adding again a half tablespoon of butter. It is totally optional. And I'll be adding Amul cream 2 to 3 tablespoons. So finally, our egg curry is ready. I am serving this with rice. If you wish, you can serve this with roti and paratha as well. So finally, my camera person is going to taste the recipe and he will let us know how's the taste.
काफ़ी अच्छे बना है। जो अंडा का जो अंदर का जो आ रहा है बहुत सॉफ्ट है और जो टमाटर का टेस्ट है वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा आ रहा है और ऐसा लगा है कि मैं मतलब कि किसी बिहार के घर में बैठ के खाना खा रहा हूँ।
ओके, तो आप अपनी फूड एंजॉय कीजिए।
So guys, as Mr. Aditya shared his experience with us, I can assure this recipe was the best egg curry and of course he was enjoying the recipe and I wish that you also make the recipe and enjoy at your home. So today's day is over now. I'm going to see you in another episode with another recipe in a new place with a different story. I just hope that you loved the episode and you are going to cook this recipe for sure. Hope to see you again with us. Till then, stay tuned, goodbye and thank you so much for watching.